Last week, Guillermo and Gata used their time machine for the first time. If you missed it, you can see the episode here. So today we're going to do something very special. Today we make dinosaur surprise eggs. Learn with El Gato Rainbow and La Gata Moon. We will need small plastic dinosaurs, 1 cup of flour, half a cup of salt, 1 cup of instant coffee, and a little bit of water. Put the flour, salt, and coffee in a bowl and mix it. And now add water little by little and stir. Keep adding water until you get a cookie dough consistency. Be careful because if you add too much water, it can get soggy and you won't be able to shape it later. When you can't stir anymore, knead it with your hands. Put a dinosaur inside the dough and wrap it like this. Yes, we are aware of what it looks like right now, but it will change, I promise. When it has the shape of an egg, sprinkle it with flour. This way you'll be able to see all the cracks and it will look more like an egg. Let it dry for 2 or 3 days. And that's it! That's how easy it was to make a dinosaur surprise egg. And it's very resistant, look! Open it, and surprise! You can make as many as you want, and hide inside lots of toys, it's so much fun! Don't forget to subscribe! We'll see you next week with Gato Rainbow and Gata Moon's new adventure. Bye!